Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with the Windows Shift and S key combinations are not working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. So if you are facing issue with Snip and sketching tool specifically, let's go ahead and reset the applications guys, and hopefully that can able to resolve a problem. For that, go to search menu and type installed apps and open it, and search here SNIP snip tool. Opens up snipping tool. You just need to click on three dot icon over here and click advanced option and scroll down guys. Here is reset option. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't it be affected. Click on repair. Let's try to repair it. After finishing this, try to use the keys guys. Isn't working. Let's reset the application guys. For that, if this app isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Click on reset, and this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign in details. Click on reset. Hopefully this can able to resolve a problem guys, but if isn't working right, we can try to repair next solution. I go for next solution guys. For that, go to system on left side. On right side, go to clipboard, clipboard, open it. On right side, clipboard history, select turn it on guys. You just need to turn it on, and after that, hopefully this can able to resolve a problem. If isn't working, let's move to the next solution. Left side, go to select the accessibility guys. On right side, scroll down, go to keyboards, click on it and scroll down guys. Use the print screen button to open screen snipping guys. Based on other apps settings, you might need to restart your PC to see these changes. You just need to turn it on guys. Hopefully this can able to resolve our problems. You just need to restart your PC guys for make changes. Restart it. Hopefully this can able to resolve a problem guys. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.